How to redeem codes in Valorant. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be discussing about redeeming your Valorant gift card code from Amazon or from a physical store. So let's get started. And here's how you can redeem a Valorant gift card that you purchased from either your Amazon or a physical store. First of all, you have to locate the code for the physical cards. It will be under a scratch off material. For Amazon purchases, the code can be found in the confirmation email received after the purchase. Alternatively, visit the Amazon website and go to your order history page and find the Go to Games Library button and locate the code there. If the code is from the Amazon, highlight, click, and select Copy. Open the Valorant application in your device and simply go ahead and click on the upper right hand corner of the screen. Click on the Valorant symbol and then select the tab named Prepared Cards and Codes and select the text box and enter the code. If you copied the code, press Ctrl+V to paste it, ensuring not to skip any dashes as they are essential. Remember that the code is case sensitive and click on Submit. Upon returning to the main screen, you will find and see the newly added amount in your currency total. This is how you can redeem any codes in the website. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.